Happy Wedding Wednesday, everybody. Today, as you can see, I am at my florist shop in Nashville, Tennessee. It is White Blooms Florals, and her name is Carrie, and she's literally so talented, and she is the best. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a little arrangement. This is not for my actual wedding, but we're actually using it for my shower. And that's something that I love about 50 Flowers is you can use all their flowers for if you have an event. It doesn't have to be anything wedding. It can be just a regular old event, rehearsal dinner, bridal shower, wedding. So we're gonna kind of show you different ways to incorporate the flowers into, say, a garland, maybe some little vases, and I'm just gonna tell you all about 50 Flowers because they're literally my favorite. Everybody needs to know about them. So 50 Flowers is a woman-owned company that literally delivers flowers that are from the farms right to your door, and they're wholesale. So you can literally order flowers for your florist to arrange, which is what I'm doing, or you can order pre-arranged flowers and literally they just come and you just put them out at your wedding and that's all you have to do. This company is amazing. The site is actually really cool. When you're on there, you can arrange all the flowers by color. So if you have like a color scheme, which I'm sure all of you do because we're brides, or for your event, if you have a color scheme, you can arrange all the flowers by color. They also have themes. So if you're like going for a more boho wedding, they have like a boho section. If you're going for like a romantic classic section, you know, like they have it all. So I love this site. Also, if you're like, I think I know what I want, but I don't really know what I want, they have a design consultant that you can talk to, and that's their job. They'll literally help you figure out exactly what you want. All right, everybody, so this is Carrie.
Hey.
She is the owner of White Blooms Florals, and she is literally so talented. It is crazy, and she's so fun, and she redesigned my wedding flowers twice because I had to postpone, so she's a gem. So what we're gonna be doing today is, I guess you can explain it better than I can.
Yeah, 50 Flowers sent us a pretty garland to decorate for one of Megan's showers over the weekend, and so we're gonna be taking some of the flowers that they sent us and putting them into the garland and putting together some little bud vases and stuff like that that they're gonna use for the shower too.
Yeah, see, I did not say garland. I really messed that up in the beginning. So this is why she's the flower expert, not me. So we're gonna have Liz over here. We're gonna flip around out of vlog style for the rest of this. Let's get into it.
So you're saying you don't want this on camera today? These are anemones. They have what's like a navy center, navy black center. Yeah. This is Orlea. It's more of like a wildflower type look, and it's really fluffy, which is fine for garlands. And these are everyone's favorite ranunculus. So these are regular white ranunculus. This is seeded eucalyptus. Okay. That's what the seeds are. And then this is gonna be like more like a silver dollar eucalyptus, or it could also be from the fluffy seeded. And then this is some rosemary greenery.
Yeah, it smells really good.
So then it adds like some extra texture in there too. And this is like a pretty fluffy, like a good sized garland for an event. So we usually do garlands on tables. So we'll take the garlands and we'll put flowers inside of them, or we'll do like lighter loose greenery. But I prefer to do more of like a garland style.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna use a ranunculus as an example to go into the garland. And there's a few different ways they can go into the garland. The most common and easiest would be just to zip tie it.
All right.
You can also wire it. So we will cut off a piece. You wanna leave some stem that can like get hidden in the garland, like that. Beautiful. And if you're gonna be moving the garland at all, you're gonna wanna wire it, zip tie it, or a lot of times we use these like floral picks.
Okay. So if somebody like ordered this and they just set it up like at the wedding,
yeah,
they probably wouldn't need to do that?
No. Okay. We will not zip tie things or wire them unless we're moving it.
Okay.
So small little secret there from your florist. And afterwards we'll literally just take them out and like pass them along to the next location or throw them away. So, and the other thing you're gonna wanna know is if the stem comes out on the other side. So if people are viewing it from two different sides. you're gonna wanna make sure that the stem is cut.
Yeah.
Any extra piece of the stem is cut so no one can see it, because seeing any stems is a no-no. Here you go.
Is there like a secret to like texture when you're arranging your flowers? Like, is there like a rule or something that you follow?
We will do typically like one flower at a time.
Okay.
So I would take ranunculus and I would say, okay, we have 20 ranunculus.
Okay.
This garland is 10 feet long. Then we're gonna put 2 every feet.
Okay.
So we're gonna go here, and then we might even like go the opposite direction. If people are gonna be sitting on both sides of the table, we want it to be seen from the front and the back, and not just like looking at the backs of all the flowers.
Okay.
So front and the back, 1 or 2 every foot, all the way through until we're done. There you go. Like it's growing out. And then for like the fluffier ones, and those can kind of like dance a little bit more. They can go out a little bit further than the other ones.
I can dance.
When we first got the flowers,
Okay.
they came in a box from 50 Flowers, so everything is in this huge box with the garland. All comes with some greenery and stuff like that still attached.
Oh.
And so the best thing to do is to take them, cut about 1 inch off the bottoms for
Okay.
all of them.
They really are farm fresh.
And then we took them and we put them in a bucket and we let them hydrate.
What does it do? What does hydrating them do?
Yeah, it allows them to open back up again. Since they've been transported, they've been flown, you know, overnight from the farm. They need to have some water in them. For something that's a garland like this, you could probably get it a day or 2 days beforehand and be fine. Roses and peonies are gonna need the most amount of time to open up. Do you wanna try it?
Yeah.
So you get to just like choose, right? Like where you put the flowers. You're like, I feel like putting one here. And it's an art.
Oh, this is fun. This is like more creative than I realized it was. Wow, those are sharp.
These are actually just from Amazon.
Really?
Yeah, and I actually have one for you. I gift them to all my brides
Aw.
at our final walkthrough.
I'm biffing this right now.
You're like, it's so easy.
I like can't see on this side. There we go.
Thank God we got a professional here. Am I right, Carrie?
Right. There we go.
It's a learning process.
And then, so I can see it on this side, so I would trim it off.
So you want to snip that stem off.
Okay.
Good job.
Don't snip your fingers. Perfect.
No,
Perfect.
I could probably go a little closer, but you scared me with the finger. What do we have going on here now?
So these are all different sizes and shapes of what we would call bud vases. So bud vases are wonderful for like 2 or 3 flowers, maybe like 2 flowers and some greenery, but it's a great lower budget option.
Okay.
And it's great if you're doing flowers for your own wedding.
And where can people get these?
Yeah, honestly, the dollar store, online, Amazon, literally just Google bud vases.
Okay.
And you want like different heights too.
Yeah.
So you don't want to do like 3 of the same size or like 3 small ones. You want to mix it up a little bit.
Okay.
And if you're putting them on a table, you'd want to do it in odd numbers. So for like a cocktail, like high table, you might just do 1.
Okay.
But then for like a round table, for a guest table, you'd want to do like 3, 5, or 7.
Okay.
All in different shapes and sizes. So there you go. There's 2 little flowers and a little bud vase. And we might add 1 more. Just add this little guy in here.
Beautiful.
Cute. Just like a little arrangement. These are not necessarily bud vases. You could do more than like 2 or 3 flowers in here. But these are just really pretty and like really classic and simple.
So would you just like on a table, would you just put like this with like that? Like this would be the centerpiece type thing?
Yeah, I would like
guess.
spread it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Like give it a
Okay.
little bit of room to breathe, and then we'd put some votive candles like
Oh,
around
cool.
it. Again, like the more you can take up the middle space of the table, the better.
Okay, so we're not gonna do the final reveal of the full garland yet because my shower isn't until Saturday, and so I need to arrange this tomorrow. But I'll make sure to put a video at the end, like some pictures. It's gonna be stunning. But I wanted to give the floor to Carrie here because if you live in the Nashville area, she's your gal. If you're getting married, she's so fun and obviously really good at what she does. So tell them where they can contact you, Instagram, all that good stuff.
Yeah, I'll let Megan tag us. We're White Blooms Floral. We're in Nashville. And we do travel for some weddings outside of Tennessee, but most of the weddings we do are in Nashville. Yeah, we love working with people here, and we love color, we love texture, we love all different kinds of fun things for weddings. So love working with Megan.
I love working with you.
Sweet, cute.
Okay, sorry, we I forgot to wrap up the vlog at Carrie's shop because we were like so busy. Like, look at Liz's car, we've literally got like flowers strapped in, and there's like a bag back there that's like literally the garland. But yeah, that's it for this episode of Wedding Wednesday. Hope you guys learned some things. I know I did. Make sure you check out Carrie and White Blooms because I'm telling you, she's the best. Also, make sure you check out 50 Flowers because they are also incredible, amazing company. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week.